Quick Start 10-Step Guide. 1. Power. Connect only the Zeepy USB cable to turn on the backlight. Backup battery keeps time when unplugged. Important, only use a standard 5-volt USB power source. 2. Turn on. Press on off. Good morning, Zeepy. 3. Modes. Press set. Clock only, teenage mode. Press set. Face only, baby mode. Press set. Face and clock, toddler and child mode. 4. Set time. Press mode, sun icon, his wake up time. Press mode, moon icon, his sleep time. Press mode, clock icon, his set current time. Press and hold set for 3 seconds. Hour icon should flash. Press plus to adjust to hours up. Press minus to adjust hours down. Press set to move to minutes. Press plus to adjust minutes up. Press set to fix time. 5. Set wait time. Press mode, sunlight on, wait up time. Press and hold set for 3 seconds until hour flashes. Press plus to adjust hour up, minus to adjust hour down. Press set to fix hours. Set minutes. Press plus to adjust minutes up. Press minus to adjust down. Press set to fix time. Audio alarm. Press mode. Toggles alarm on or off. Audio alarm can only be activated during wake settings. Face or wake up at set wake up time. 6. Sleep time. Moon icon. Press mode. Press set for 3 seconds. Set hour. Plus to adjust hour up. Press minus to adjust hour down. Press set to move to minutes. Press plus to adjust up. Minus to adjust down. Press set to fix time. 7. Brightness. To adjust brightness, press minus to dim or turn backlight off. Press plus to increase brightness. 8. Lock. Press and hold plus minus for 6 seconds until the lock icon appears. This is recommended to prevent children from tampering. To unlock, press and hold plus and minus for 6 seconds. 9. Power. When unplugged, a plug icon appears. The display runs on backup battery. Keep the clock plugged in to preserve backup battery life. 10. Factory reset. Press mode. Set and on/off button together until CRL displays on screen. Podcast. Scan QR code to hear Zeepy's bedtime stories.